Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best motorbike intercoms you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many motorbike intercoms and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each motorbike intercoms so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a motorbike intercom. First, think about sound quality, because clear audio is essential for safe and smooth communication while riding. Next, check the range of connectivity, as longer range helps maintain contact between riders on long trips. Battery life is also important since a longer-lasting battery ensures uninterrupted communication during long rides. Compatibility matters too. Make sure it works well with your helmet and other devices. Consider ease of use, especially the button layout and voice control features, because they reduce distractions. Also, look for durability and weather resistance, as intercoms often face rain, dust, and vibration. Finally, evaluate the price against the features offered to get the best value. Choosing wisely ensures comfort, safety, and enjoyment on every journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.